Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm very happy you're here today. This is part of our beginner mini-series. Today we're going to learn the slip stitch. So you've probably heard about these things called slip stitches. What is a slip stitch? Well, a slip stitch is where you're kind of faking a stitch almost. It's usually what we use to get from one side to the other without completely changing our stitch count or changing the height of something. So it's very, very handy, and it's really good when you start to learn amigurumi and you do shaping. But for now, just insert your hook into the stitch as if you were making a single crochet. But then instead of doing this where you have two loops, you're going to insert your hook, grab your yarn, and keep going and just pull through everything. So you're going to insert your hook through the stitch, grab your yarn, and keep going. You're just gonna go through everything. So you see that? So I go in, I grab the yarn, and I pull through everything. I go in, I grab the yarn, and I pull through everything. Go in, grab yarn, go through the stitch, and go through the loop. So it creates this thing where the stitches are on the side. See, normally they're on top, but here they kind of show up on the side, which is interesting. See, normally your stitches are like this, they're on top. These are on the side. So you go in, grab your loop, and pull through everything. Go in, grab your loop, pull through everything. And that is a slip stitch. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Stay tuned for the next stitch. You never know when I will put up a new video, so turn on those notifications, because you never know. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I'd love to have you. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.